Hello friends, my name is Shalu Paul. Welcome to the interview questions and answers video tutorial series. Today in this video, I am going to tell you about how to answer a question if you have been asked in interview that are you willing to travel or relocate if necessary. This is my fifth question for this series, video tutorial series. See, first I will tell you answers for fresher. Yes, sir. I have no problem in relocation. I am very adaptable to any environment and with people. I find no difficulty in being relocated anywhere in India. I like traveling to new places, so no problem in traveling also. See, being a fresher, you can't answer negative if there is certain problem with you. You have to answer in positive that you are ready to relocate and you are ready to travel for company's requirements. So you can answer in such a simple way which I have given you in this option. Next option for a fresher. Yes sir, depending upon the needs and requirement of the company, I will not have any issue with the relocation. It would be my pleasure to relocate myself because I will be able to get a lot of knowledge and lot of experience from different cultures and different kinds of people, which will be beneficial for me as well as for my company, and changes are always for good. See, as a fresher, you can also answer such a way that for you, company's needs and requirement matter. So depending upon the needs and requirement of company, you are always ready to relocate and always ready to travel because it will be helpful for you to improve your knowledge and experience. And by meeting different kinds of people, you will be able to develop your skills. Next option for a fresher. Sir, I am very interested in advancing my knowledge and if relocating is a part of that, then I would like to relocate. Also, sir, I am fresher, flexible and easily adapt to different environment and energetic. So relocating is not a big issue for me. Also, with the relocating, different types of people are meet and we share our view with them and there is increase in knowledge. I think it is also a process of socialization too. So here the fresher is trying to convince the interviewer by telling his quality that I am very much flexible and I am very much adaptable to different environments and I'm energetic. So by meeting different types of people, I can share my view, I can increase my knowledge. He is trying to convince the interviewer that this is the process of socialization and this will be helpful for him. Okay, last option for fresher which I'm going to tell you is if you want to answer in negative way, because if you have certain problem in your family, you can also answer in such a way like mostly I will be happy to relocate when I am unmarried, but I got married as per my family requirement of me. I am unable to move this place because it become my duty to take care of my family members, so I will not prefer to relocate. See, for girls this situation arises because after marriage there are some foundations on them that they cannot change their place. So if you want to answer negatively, you can answer in such a polite manner which I have given here in this option. Okay, so these are all the options for fresher. Next we will see some answers for experienced professional. My first option. Yes, I don't see a problem in that. Being in a single place for a long time doesn't really help. You generally build a comfort zone. Working around known persons and known environment, when put out of the comfort zone, your abilities are put to test, and there's where its advantages lie. Because you get to be around new people, learn new culture, new practices. At the end of the day, it helps in development of the personality. So here I am experienced. I have knowledge that what happens to you when you change your place. So I can share my experience with interviewer that being in a single place, it limits your personality and you develop your comfort zone. And in a comfort zone your abilities don't grow. That here he is saying that relocation is a advantage for him because in relocation you can learn new culture, new people, new practices, and it helps in development of personality. Next option for experienced professionals. Yes, I am okay with the relocation as it is an opportunity to learn something new, visit new places. I love to travel and I can easily adapt to new environment. Also, I have been away from my house for almost 5 years now and it has been a great experience. So here the experienced professional is sharing that he is already living outside for almost 5 years, so he have experience and also he loves to travel, so there is no problem for him to relocate anywhere in India. So being experienced, you can answer in such a way. Next option for experienced professionals. To me, where I live is really a secondary concern. My career path is important to me and I have been very impressed with what I have learned about this company and believe that this position is a great fit for my skills and knowledge. So I'm ready to travel or relocate. So here being an experience, I am sharing my requirement, that my requirement is my career path. If relocation is required in my career path, I don't have any problem because I know about your company and I like the profile which you are offering to me, because this profile is fitting in my skills and knowledge. So I am ready to relocate anywhere you want. Last option for experienced professional. Yes, sir, I am ready to relocate as per the company's requirement, since the knowledge never changes in relocating and we can enhance great knowledge from the new person and we can improve our communication better with any kind of people. And I feel it is one of my strengths to work at any place. So here the experienced professional is sharing with the interviewer that his strength is working at any place. He can work at any place where company wants him to work, and he can develop his knowledge, he can improve his communication, he can improve his skills by relocating. So he is ready to relocate. So these are all the options which I have shared with you for experienced professionals. Hope you can utilize this in your interviews. Thank you for watching my video. You can also share this video with your friends. You can subscribe my Learn by Watch YouTube channel. If you want to watch my more videos on interviews, you can visit on youtube.com/learnbywatch, or if you want to share your some comments or suggestions, you can mail me at shalu@learnbywatch.com. Thank you.